Since, for, and during. What's the difference? Since is used to refer to a specific point in time when an action began or to indicate the starting point of a period of time. It is also used to introduce the cause or reason for something. It implies a continuous action from a specific past point up to the present. Example sentences. I have been studying English since 2010. Starting from 2010 until now, I've been studying English. Since you're here, let's discuss the project. Because you're here now, let's discuss the project. Number 2. For. For is used to indicate the duration of time during which an action or event occurs. It specifies the length of time. It's used when talking about a period of time rather than a specific point. Example sentences. I have lived in this city for 5 years. The duration of time I have lived here is 5 years. She has been waiting for an hour. She has waited for the duration of 1 hour. Number 3. During. During is used to indicate when something happens within a particular period or throughout the existence of something else. It is used to specify a time frame within which an event occurs. Example sentences. I fell asleep during the movie. At some point within the duration of the movie, I fell asleep. The accident happened during rush hour. The accident occurred within the time frame of rush hour. Remember, since focuses on the starting point of an action or event and implies continuity up to the present. For specifies the duration of an action or event, and during specifies when an action or event occurs within a particular time frame. I hope you liked today's video. See you in the next one. Peace.